Hello there. For this video I have decided to try another technique that I have been watching on the channel of Fiona Art, who is just a great creator when it comes to acrylic pouring. But I'm mixing it up a little. The video of hers I watched had the colours the same. They're actually two videos. One had the two white boards, the other had the two black boards. I want to mix it up. I'll probably end up with a grey blob mess, but I'm going to try it anyway. And so I am doing one board white, one board black. I'm going to put my colours onto the whiteboard, sandwich them together using the blackboard over the top, and then lift them up to see what I can get. So this is going to be fun. My colours I'm using today are metallic purple, metallic gold, yellow, lime green and crimson. And I'm just going to dot them onto the canvas the same way that Fiona does and see what I can make. So I'll get started now. I've put all my colours on. Just give it a little bit of a torch to get out the bubbles. And now I'm going to lift the black board over to the white one, and I'm going to smash them together. I like the sound of that, even though I'm not really going to be smashing them. Whoop, got a loose leg there. So I will put that down straight over the board there. And I'm going to push them all together and then stand them up sideways to be able to make sure that all the paint is well smushed in. So I've used two canvases here that had already been painted on. Rather than give them away or dump them, I decided to reuse them for this painting just to see how it comes out. So I think I've squashed them hard enough together. I'm not sure how well that will work, but we won't know until I open them up. They've smashed fine that way, but I'm not sure about the other way, this way here. So I don't know how much of that paint has gone through or is coming down, but I will turn them over now and I will gently pull them apart. Probably not the best thing to have one of them sitting on a cooling rack. Just gently open them up. Wow. Oh wow, okay. They didn't go as grey as I expected them to. There's some black is on both of them, and of course some white on both of them, but they've actually not done too badly. Unfortunately, some of the paint from underneath, which was green on this one, has shown through, so I'm going to see if I can just re-dip this one again into the paint that's there Could be fun. The only way I can really do that properly is to do it with a piece of plastic. So I'll pop a piece of plastic into this, like so, and I will just pop it onto there, press it down, and then gently lift it back. Not bad. And again, and just gently lift it back. Wow, that's not so bad. I've got a pretty pattern down on my paper here too, so I'm just going to try that again from the top down. That's interesting. I'm enjoying having a really good fiddle around here to see what sort of other patterns that can be made. I'll just try it down this one there to bring that through. No, I'm not getting really getting rid of the green there now. I'm just making more of a mess. So I will grab my straw and give it a bit of a blow, just to take out the sort of lines that that plastic made. And just to blow some of the colours up, I'll just lift some colour from here and pop it on there, just a little, and blow that through. Right, that's not too bad. That's how to fix the painting when you've got blank spots. Same as down here. Right, so I'm going to bring the other one back in now, which I think is just beautiful. So happy with the one that came out on the black. It's got more of the lines that I was after, whereas this one here, unfortunately, didn't accept the paint as well, even though that's where the paint was put, and I would have to do quite a lot of repair work on that to make it look any better. So I'm going to give them a quick torch, both of them. Actually, I'll grab the straw there and just take that white piece out. It's a bit blobby, and what I'm looking for now, of course, is to see if I get any sort of lacing, as I've got both metallic gold and my favourite white colour on these canvases, and there should be some lacing that comes up from it. So I'll just walk away for a little while, and then I will come back and put the bring them up and show you on the camera. Sorry, Fiona, even the paintings you say look really bad still look better than mine. So I'll show you the terrible one first. The colours are pretty, but there's too many bare patches. Probably, first of all, because I probably had too much paint. Secondly, because my paint was the normal thick paint I like to use. And I'm just trying to move my painting out of the way in case there's any drips. Thirdly, because the colours have basically blended together, and the patchiness doesn't make it look very good at all. So that was my one, the canvas that had the paint dribbled onto it and the white base paint on it. So the painting that was pressed down from the top looked a lot better, but it had a bare patch on it which I tried to fix before I put the camera on, and it didn't work out, but never mind, you know, I gave it a go. So that is the painting that I prefer of the two, but still, for my first attempt, I guess it's not too bad, but I would need to practice this technique a lot before I could get something that looks how I would like it to look. So that's it for me for that technique for now. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.